Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be trying to find out what actually came in the new update. I know I've not been really posting much, but I'm here. I'm sorry. There's a lot been going on with my friends and stuff. So yeah, but let's get into this video. But first, you need to join my Discord in the description, because I'm doing daily giveaways when I hit 20 members, and it's gonna be it's actually gonna be 1,000 company coins every single week. And if we get even more members, we're gonna do this giveaway, and then one day when I got a ton of members, I'm gonna be doing a bundle giveaway. This is fair. I'm gonna be doing so many giveaways in my Discord, and that's why you should join, and it's so much fun. So yeah, so let's get back into the video. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, so if we go over here, this is my friend just left, so that's some bugs. If you go here, I've already bought it. It is just one research point to save, but yeah, you can unlock more with more research points, but you can literally save loadouts. That's so fun. Look, if I do that, that's saved. But can I get that gun? Oh yeah, you can just clear loadout. It's cleared. That's a really good, because for videos, I mean. And if you come here, we got so many. And in one of my videos, it'll be on the screen. I'm trying to get all of this unlocked first. But we're gonna come back to this in a video. I've got 22 research points. This boy bought the Black Friday bundles because I'm paid to win. You know me. Anyway, but yeah, should we unlock some of this stuff? Because yeah, I don't know what to unlock though. Let's unlock this. This look fun. Can I buy it? Oh! Oh! What's happening? So I have to bounce. And what does that do? In a dream. Who's been watching the Squid Game? Yo, that's actually sick. It's like a remote control. Wait, so if I just do this? This is so helpful if you're left-handed, because if you just do that, look, because for me with left hand, it doesn't work for me, does it? Oh wait, it does work, but do you know how much harder it is? Like, look, I can't really do anything, but look how good I am with this hand. Do you know what I mean? I'm actually goated with this hand. So we've left, but yeah, look, this. Wait, oh. No. Switch hands. I just do this. You have to get used to it, like. That's good. Yeah, it's good. Debit and company for that. I have 19 research points left. Okay, so before we're gonna go into any more of that, we're gonna get some more research points. Editor, speed this up. That's me.
Let's do this.
Let's go. That's me. Okay, so let's get a flashlight. I have money this time. I've been going to Marty Lottie. Let's go. I mean, I'm so good with right hand, guys. Like, I don't miss anything. Get on here first. Excuse me. Pardon you, Snugglebuggle. Oh, my friend went mining.
That's funny. Good prank, James.
W James. He's gonna be on the screen. He's a little good boy. Wait, W James. We're still fighting. And if y'all don't know, my friend goes to Pego 7. Go join. See if anyone's touching my friend. I very much doubt it. Ah! Okay. So, oh, what's that? waste it, but it's fun. Let's go! Let's go. Oh my goody boy. That's a lot of research points. That's Jimmy. Guys, I know I have aura, so this is gonna be a research point. Shut up! This is gonna be a research point, my baby!
Flip.
This is gonna be a company coin right this way. Research point. Company coin. Nuts. Company coins. Company coins. Company coins. Yes, I have aura. I always have aura. So if you want my aura, gotta subscribe. That's my name.
Richard Point. Flip. How bad am I at aura farming?
This one's definitely going to be a Richard Point. How many of that? We're open so many. I can frick off, dude. Alright, wait a minute. Go ahead there. Where you go? Richard, copy coins. Copy coins. Oh, my money. Richard Point. Richard Point. Richard Point. Copy coins. Money. Bring back the money. Yeah! I got Richard Point. I got a Richard Point. I told you I will. I got touch that, but I would never. I'm a pro. Just like I always say. I broke no gold record before, you know what I mean? That was me, that was Trixie. My other friend. I heard Spanish folk, because that's because I'm an absolute nerd at the game and I hear everything. No, that's just cookies. I finally heard a spider! Good boy.
Goodbye.
Kobe! Shut up. Joking, another research point, I'm so happy right now. Another research point.
Oh my gosh. That's 3 research points in a day. I'm back to 22.
I didn't mean to bump into this place. Old times. Planetarium. More research points! I know you can't hear me right now, guys. But research point! I think I've got my max today, but hey, Matt, I'm on it. Yeah!
Meow.
Holy mother, Lord! I'm a giant. I've got a big cat. Guys, I got a big cat. Shh! You heard nothing, child. So I think I got my max reach. Oh, I actually got another in the planetarium. But let's get spending. Okay. What am I gonna buy? I'm gonna wait. His hands. That's alright. I should shut. But let's buy Goop first. Oh wait, you can buy it. Guys, I'll be right back. I'm just gonna watch a YouTube tutorial. I'm gonna watch a YouTube tutorial how to make a man, because he's my man. I'm watching this. I couldn't find his story. Wait, here we go. Hands. Oh, my goop. Wait, just do it. I got a couple sticks. I think I'm down to I'm making stuff up. Get out of here. Why do they call it goop? It's something weird. Okay. Another goop, and then the box. Okay. Trust. Right there. And then there. Fuck, man. This one. What's it got? I'm just what the flip? Everybody, I just destroyed it. Okay. I'm in. Okay. In your face, you're ready. Wait, I'm trying to do it.
2,000 years later.
Okay, so guys, so that was a very, very long progress, but this is what I aim up to. I don't really get it. How much money have I got left for spend? 20k. God dang. I just wasted a K. Why don't I forget a trending? My head! Bro, get off my head! Get my head. Get my head. It's like freak. Yeah. It's okay. But my hand. How did that work so easy on that one? But we got it. But we got it wrong. Guys, must be that. Wait. You come here, child. That's not working. This one. Okay. Must be a bug in the game still. But yeah. This is a weird update. This is what I made. Because it just copies my move. Oh, it's his hand. But it copies my move like, hi guys. Oh, but. Oh. Man. Wait. Don't look, children. Did it copy it? Yo, that's bad. You saw nothing. I'm no, But yeah, look. So yeah, guys, that's mostly gonna be for the video for today. And if you enjoyed, make sure you go subscribe, like this video, and yeah. Without peace, L update, by the way, L update. Get up!